enganzi hangaro binana banja yabanza kurambura emidara hamwe n'ebintu ebiresibirwe kwerekwa hakireki ab'ebitongore nk'eby'amajuta bashanga barikwereka ekimata ky'amajuta ningashi crude oil agarikuza kuruga okuzimu omu kyanga kya Bunyoro kandi bagira ngu enguuto zikozire kihango okweregiza eby'oburambuzi
kozire na ekitongore ky'ebyenguuto kya Yumura barikweta kuri oil roads zirikukonekitinga national policy kandi nteekateeka ngu ekyo kyongere eby'oburambuzi omu national policy.
abari omu murimo gw'eby'oburambuzi bashaba paramenti okwongera sente omu mbariro y'eby'oburambuzi.
Honorable Prime Minister and the Speakers of Parliament of Uganda to urgently think about tourism and at least give an increase of 70% in the budget allocation, because we think this is the hanging fruit if we are able to meet the outlined achievements in the NDP3.
We have many tourism sites. We are going to put a monument at the roundabout of Kabalega. The only challenge we had was the Umeme to transfer the transformer from the roundabout, which is costly about 200 million, but they are committed to do that, and Hoima Sugar is committed to put that monument at the roundabout.
Omuhandiki w'entuura omu kitongole ky'eby'oburambuzi Samuel Kakuru yagira ngu ihanga ririyo nirijuumuka omu kiina kya COVID-19 kandi nikwo kushaba kwine eby'obuhangwa okwongerwamu amaani.
Tourism in itself is a vehicle that has potential to positively change the livelihoods of our people by providing employment, income, and as well generating revenue for government.
Emika emyala tujye tutayina bannange mwebale kwagala tourism to promoting local tourism
twina na peace ebyo nabiko twattractinga kuranta abantu bajja mu kichoka kyaitu kandi wakujja balika batuwalisi n'abantu bagenda bazola some potential for investment in the region.
Minisita w'eby'oburambuzi Kanoto mu Butime nawe wahika mukoro ogu yarangirira enteekateeka z'okutaho ebibumbe 2 ebyo wabyali omukama wa Bunyoro Kabarega Chwa waba nootaho mu rurembo rwa Hoima hamwe na Mparo aho bamuziikire.
Kabarikaigire kuteeka ekisali ky'omukama Kabumba omu maiso g'omukama ondi Anyakulo sonko bakyeba abakulu b'ebyobukama. Therefore, tujja kutunga ekijikizo ekiyakuli mparo ekyakabiri kyeyantangatangana eyahani Hoima.
Enganzi nebanja mu kugamba ko yahanangiriza abo boona habayo nibatekereza eby'obuhangwa kandi yashiba ngu bube bujunaanizibwa bwa buli muntu okulinda eby'obuhangwa.
Ebitwasangirewo tukubisiisa tubisiisire ijweri tukabambaale tukazika abantu 29 ijweri hano Kisoro abantu bafiire Kasesa abantu bafiire no mu Uganda kirimu ni mwijuka ijweri enyanja y'Ekaboga hano mwitanzige Kaboga ebintu byasisikara bya sente nyingi hano bulisa hano arowe irwaro bakulyeta butyaba health center 4 likabuliro maize health center 4 submerged in water.
Oja kuskono konsule mwera majegere linda majegere sokureke
Bunyoro mu myanya y'eby'oburambuzi nk'ebituuro by'abakama ba Bunyoro ebiri Mparo omwanya gwa Katasiha Semwema ekitagata hamwe n'abarikutimba omwonyo muri Kibiro amalindiro g'enyamiisho hamwe n'ebindi.
Thank you so much.
Gashokwa Ntwagaba Ambrose Katoto.